Alexis Rodriguez.
Did she really just say she wants to go to jail because she's tired? That's gotta be the wildest excuse we've heard in court this week. But trust me, this story only gets crazier from here. ...
All right, so the first thing we have is the affidavit to surrender surety.
Yes, Judge, I had not seen her since I got notice that there was a pre-trial violation. You wanted
So you want to go forward on the,
yes, some sort of violation on pre-trial services.
yes, I mean, do you
Oh, yes.
still want to surrender surety? All right, Deputy Mejia, she's going into custody. All right, so the affidavit to surrender surety will be granted. And then we have the non-compliance. And this is the first violation report.
There was a second one, I believe.
When a judge orders an affidavit to surrender, it means the defendant is being voluntarily handed over to custody. That's not just routine. It's a serious step that can totally change the outcome of a case.
Yes, sure.
Is there a second violation on Ms. Rodriguez? All right, so what I can tell you on your violation report, the violation report is that you have not done your testing, your drug testing, or done your sober support meeting. So obviously you want to be in custody. Is that correct?
No, ma'am.
Have you contacted your attorney?
No, ma'am.
So obviously you want to be in custody, because if you did not want to be in custody, you would have contacted your attorney. You would have done your conditions that were given to you while you're on bond, and you didn't do any of those. So that tells me,
Contacting the person I've been going to go see for the drug testing, telling him that I haven't been able to make it because I picked up a job, night shifts, and I have 2 kids and I got no help. So I've been telling him, like, whenever I've been able to, like.
if you're drug tested today, it's going to be dirty, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So obviously you've found time to use drugs during your busy schedule, but you can't find time to report to pretrial services. And based upon your drug use, you should not have custody of children, because when people are using drugs.
Asterisk, she openly admits the drug test will be dirty and blames work and kids. But here's the question. If someone can find time to use drugs, shouldn't they also find time to stay clean for their children?
They are not good parents. You can't be a good parent and use drugs. So there you are. So you're going into custody today?
And I just see one violation report filed on first.
And that's my mistake. I thought there was a second one, and you said there's a compliance hearing set for today, and that's when I thought.
Oh.
The first email that came out.
Okay.
All right. So Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
reset. And are you going to stay as her attorney or no?
I'll do a motion. I'll the next week, Judge.
All right. If you want to go ahead and go on orally on the record.
And go to all right.
All right. The court is going to call NITMAC number 738729, State versus Alexis Christian Rodriguez, for the defense.
Judge Joseph McAguilar, on behalf of Ms. Rodriguez, I am the attorney of record and have filed an affidavit to surrender, and I would also like to make a verbal motion to withdraw as her attorney.
All right.
Then no communication or follow up in any employment agreement.
All right. As previously stated, the court is granting your affidavit to surrender surety, and the court will grant the motion withdraw. And I think once you've done the affidavit to surrender surety, there is sort of a conflict.
Exactly.
All right. That will be granted. Your excuse.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I do have one more back.
All right. Are you able to afford an attorney?
Not at this moment, no.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, see if she can be interviewed for a court-appointed attorney.
Yes, ma'am. I'll send it to Mac.
All right. And then Norma, let's recall this for the week of July 21st.
Yes, ma'am. You. I can do the 22nd.
All right. And if you can make sure that she has a reset form?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, just have a seat. And could you all?
Yes.
All right, Alexis, you said you want to go to jail already because you're tired? All right, so that's what drugs will do sometime. It'll make you sleepy. So my suggestion to you, get awake because your attorney is coming.
And there it is. The judge makes it clear. Using drugs while parenting isn't just irresponsible. It's dangerous. That moment hit hard, especially for anyone who knows the damage addiction can cause at home.
You're on bond for driving while intoxicated with a child under 15, which you think would be a wake-up call for you not to drink alcohol, and you're still using excuses to drink. So what I'm telling you is you are not allowed to drink while you are on bond. Now, what I can do is I can issue a warrant for your arrest, and if you drink, it'll be you making alcohol at the Bexar County Jail, which my understanding you can do with orange pills.
Asterisk. This is the turning point. She's on bond for DWI. With a child under 15, that's no minor charge. Driving drunk with a child. Courts don't play around with that.
After you let it mold. So that will be the only way that you'll be getting your alcohol.
Is that true?
You understand? So I'm going to follow through on the recommendation from the state. You're going to continue with ignition interlock. You are going to take the alcohol awareness course, and you're going to do 30 sober meetings in 30 days. If you violate that, a motion is going to be sent to me. It's going to be another violation report. You're going to be required to appear in court and answer for it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, recall it back for, they had on the 30th, it was going to be a blood discovery.
We're still waiting on the blood evidence.
All right, Norma, if you'll recall this back for the 4th week in July, please.
The 21st.
All right, so you're going to be back here on July 21st.
Judge, I'm on vacation that week. I'll be
Okay.
back the following week.
All right, let me see. Just 1 second. Oh, where are you going? Are you just going to be a staycation?
No, I'm taking the kids to Florida, the wife and kids to Florida.
Oh, that's going to be awesome. So you want to do it the week of the 28th?